Delhi. Who has called you and what is the meeting all about?
Midnight yesterday, Bubagra has called me that please you come to Delhi. We have an emergency meeting in Delhi, and most probably our leader, central leader, Bikarankhol also will be going. So some few leaders were called by Bubagra that this is the main reason I'm going today, and hopefully there will be some discussion will take place with the Home Ministry. So I'm not very clear, but still I hope there will be some discussion, dialogue will take place. Let us see what will be the outcome.
Do you still stick to that main core demand that you have?
That we'll discuss in detail. Of course, we always want the constitutional solution. What will be solution constitutionally, we'll find out. And maybe without discussion, I cannot say anything.
But 2 days back, Tipra Motha had little come down from its main demand of a greater Tipra now separate state. You have mentioned about a state within state. Do you stick to it?
No, still now there is no confirmation. We speak our own core issue. But through discussion, I think something will come out. But I believe.
And the state within state is there?
No, that is, we are asking for the statehood, Article 2 and 3. But let us see what is the outcome, because through discussion we will come to know.
And on the basis of that seat sharing will take place?
Let us see first discussion with our issue. Our that seat sharing will be later on.
And from Home Ministry, who will be meeting you? The Home Ministry?
Most probably Home Minister, like Amit Shah will be most probably there. Or maybe some other officials, I don't know. I'm just, I was called by the Bubagra, so I'm going.
Who along are accompanying you?
Oh, of course, my wife is also with me, and some other leaders also. Just long time we don't meet Maharaj also, so just.
Thank you.
না কিছু এখন কিছু বলা যাবে
মানে কোথায় যাচ্ছেন
কি বলবো এটা এখন কি
কোথায় যাচ্ছেন কোথায়
দিল্লি যাচ্ছে
মানে কার সাথে
মিটিং কার সাথে এটা আমি জানি না আমাদের সুপ্রিমো জানে
মানে আপনাকে
জানানো হয়েছে মিটিং একটা আছে আসে দ্যাটস অল
কে কে যাচ্ছেন
আপনারা কতজনের টিম যাচ্ছেন?
আমি এটা কথা বলতে পারবো স্যার